Hi, another video here of this 18,000 mile Mark 1 Focus RS. You can see she's coming to us for a restoration and looking like she needs one for sure. So all this will be a full video, and we'll do another video after we've all finished our work. It should be the back end of the week. Not a lot to do on this. Doing the hubs, repaint all them shockers, do all the frames, powder coat all the frames and the arms. As you can see, she's a rusty old girl. And we'll show you a completed video in a week's time.